Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to share your ParaView scenes with your colleagues, teammates, or your friends. As you know, ParaView is an open source software that lets researchers and scientists visualize their data. But not everyone knows how to use it, or maybe they don't have it installed in their local computer. So in this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way using VTKjs files to share your ParaView scenes or visualizations or your data analysis. You can send this file through email, or you can send the link, and they don't need any other softwares to see your visualizations. They only need their web browser and the file that you sent to them. So for this example, I'm using one of ParaView tutorial data sets. So to extract this scene, what we need to do is just to go ahead and press Files and Export Scene. Click on Export Scene here, and from the file type, select VTKjs file extension, and just select a name, just write a name for that file and press OK. So here you have an option to select the ParaView glance HTML. So this file usually comes with ParaView, so you can find that file inside the ParaView folder or directory. So if you downloaded ParaView, just go wherever you download it. In my case, it's in my documents. Go to Share, ParaView Web, and you can find Glance here. Let's go into ParaView Glance and select this ParaView Glance HTML file and press OK. And OK, and what it does, it actually creates two files for us. One is the VTKjs file, and another one is the scene1 HTML file. So this HTML file is a standalone HTML, which you can use to open that scene that you just saved by a web browser. But to open the VTKjs file that we just created here, we need to go to the ParaView Glance website. So what you can do is open up your web browser and search for ParaView Glance, and you will find the Glance website, which is something like this. Or you can just go to this URL, github.io glance/app. And here, anyone can open the VTKjs files that you just created. What you can do, you can just drag and drop your file in the open file and then load. And it will load the ParaView scene that you created. So it's a super easy way to share your visualizations with your colleagues. They can interact with their visualizations. You can see, they can just spin it around, zoom in, zoom out, change the colors, etc. So it's not as powerful as ParaView itself, but it's a great tool to have a quick visualization. So we created another file, which is, as I said, it's a standalone HTML file. So what you can do, instead of sending the VTKjs, which is a smaller file, you can send the standalone HTML file. So if you have this HTML file, you don't need to go to the ParaView Glance website. You can easily open this file using your web browser. And if you do that, it will give you exactly the same user interface that you had in ParaView Lens. So this way, as I said, you don't need to go to any website. You can just open it by your web browser. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please comment below if you got any errors or if you had any problems. I will try to reply to your comments and answer your questions. Thank you.